What if I told you that the difference between struggling financially and building real wealth could come down to how you invest your first $1,000? Sounds dramatic, right? But here's the truth. Most people waste their first thousand on things that don't serve them. New sneakers, a weekend trip, or even worse, letting it sit in a bank earning next to nothing. But you're different. You're here to make smart moves. You're here to build a future where money works for you, not the other way around. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to invest your first $1,000, even if you have zero experience. But stay with me till the end, because the last strategy is the real game changer. The mindset shift, building anticipation and excitement. Before we talk about where to put your money, let's address the biggest roadblock, your mindset. Most people think you need to be rich to invest. Wrong. The wealthy didn't start rich. They became rich because they started. Think of investing like planting a tree. The best time to plant one? 20 years ago. The second best time? Today. If you let fear hold you back, someone else is out there making your future money. Don't let that happen. All right, let's get tactical. Here are 5 high-impact ways to invest your first $1,000. Strategies that even complete beginners can use right now. Low-cost index funds. Imagine owning a tiny piece of the 500 biggest companies in the US. Apple, Tesla, Microsoft. That's exactly what an S&P 500 index fund does. It's low risk, historically profitable, and doesn't require you to pick stocks like Warren Buffett. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab make this ridiculously easy. Just set it and forget it. Wait, are you thinking, but what if the stock market crashes? Great question. But here's what history tells us. Over any 20-year period, the stock market has always recovered. Always. Point 2. High-yield savings plus bonds. Not every dollar should be in stocks. You need a safety net. A high-yield savings account ensures your money grows risk-free. And if you want even better returns, consider government bonds like I-bonds. They're currently outpacing inflation. Real estate crowdfunding. Think real estate investing is just for millionaires? Think again. Platforms like Fundrise let you own a fraction of rental properties with as little as $10, earning passive income without being a landlord. Imagine getting paid every month just for owning a piece of real estate, without ever fixing a toilet. That's the dream. 4. Invest in yourself. Let's flip the script. What if I told you the best investment isn't stocks or real estate? It's you. $1,000 can buy courses, books, or certifications that make you $10,000 plus down the line. Think of it like this. Would you rather have a fishing rod or an unlimited supply of fish? Investing in knowledge is your unlimited supply. 5. Build an income stream. This one is for the entrepreneurial minds. Use $1,000 to start a small side hustle, flipping products, launching a blog, or creating an online business. Ever heard of Alex Hormozi? He turned a small investment into a multi-million-dollar empire. What's stopping you? Now, I have a question for you. Which of these strategies excites you the most? Because here's the deal. Knowledge alone won't build wealth. Action does. So, don't just sit there, pick one and execute. Because while you're watching this, someone else is already making their move. Don't let them take your spot. And if you're wondering, okay, but how do I make money to invest in the first place? I've got you covered. Click the video on your screen right now to discover 10 new ways to make money online in 2025.